Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be repotting my Philodendron Verrucosum that I unboxed the other day from ILLExotics. It is growing crazy. I got this new leaf in my care. It came like this and now it's like that, and then here's another leaf coming. So I am going to be putting it on a moss pole. Yes, I'm going to be trying moss pole for the very first time. I've used cocoa core in the past with my monstera, but I've never tried a moss pole. So here's the moss pole. Let me put this here. It's falling over, so okay, yeah. So here's the moss pole that I'm going to try. I got it on Amazon and it came in a pack of 2. I'll link it in the description if any of you guys are interested in it. But I'm going to be trying it for the first time. I have all my supplies here. I'm going to turn around the camera in a few minutes so you can see what's going on. But it's falling over like you see, and I don't want it to get damaged. It's in this little nursery pot and it seems like it's completely in sphagnum moss. So I have a chunky mix that I just made right here. Let me turn on the camera. So here I have this chunky mix that I just added some more bark to my regular soil mixture, and I have the moss soaking for the moss pole. I am going to be putting it in this pot. I know it's big in comparison to what it's coming from, but in order for it to fit the moss pole, you see, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I just put some leca at the bottom so it covers the hole, in the bottom. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let's begin. I think what I'm gonna do first is let me take this out and see what it looks like. All right, so there are the roots. And it's dry. It has a new growth point, so I'm excited. The moss pole will help it to take off, I'm sure. I really don't want to mess too much with this root ball. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid that I might damage the roots. I think I'm going to leave it in the moss and just actually put it in and backfill it. Don't know if that's a good idea, but that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully nothing happens, but I don't want to mess up the roots. Like, you see those little tiny delicate roots? I don't want to mess with it. So yeah, I am going to actually, let's see. All right, so that's good. I'm just gonna put in the moss pole so it's stable. And then let's see. All right, let's do this so you can see. So all right, so yeah, do it like that. Yeah, so then actually like so, and then put it like that. I know, I want it closer. I want it very close to the moss pole. And then I'm going to go like that. Yeah. Then when the other piece grows, I just attach it. So I'm gonna put one on this side so the other one could go on that side. All right, so I'm gonna fill it up now. And I'll give it a good watering. Should I stuff the moss pole first? Maybe I should, right? I'll stuff it afterwards. I already started. I'm just winging it, guys, so it's all an experimentation. Yeah, I'm just experimenting here. Actually, for the bottom of the moss pole, I'm gonna put soil. Yeah. And then I'm going to put moss on the top. So hopefully it loves its new home. So I'm just gonna open this to get it in. I'm trying to disassemble it so I could put some soil in here. I really didn't think this through. I did not think it through. All right, let's go. Right, there we go. There we go. Actually, there we go. All right, so I just need to do the other one. There we go. So I can throw some dirt in here and then moss the rest of the way. All right, there we go. I want dirt inside of the moss bowl to help to stabilize it. So the roots will find its way into the moss bowl, into the bottom of the moss bowl, and it will have some soil. Alright. So I think that's good. Now I just need to stuff the moss bowl. Oh, I don't want to damage that. Right. I'm just making a mess. Oh my goodness, I really don't want to damage my plants. I would cry. Alright, so now let's get this over here. Fill up the moss bowl. Guys, I'll definitely keep you updated on how this one goes. I'm sure you're curious to see how it pans out. All right, so I'm just gonna use right here to open in the back. There we go. All right. Try from the top. No. Let's continue to do it the way I'm doing it. All right. Looks good. It's coming on nicely. See? I'm gonna need some more moss. We'll get some more and I'll be back. This is the moss that I'm using. Yeah. Nothing fancy. Now I'm just gonna lock it up. Really snap in. All right. So there you have it. I know that I'm gonna have to add some more moss pretty soon as it goes up, but take a look. Beautiful. All right, so now I'm gonna take some floral tape because Ideally, zip ties would probably work better here, but I don't know where I put mine, so I'm just working with what I have. So this is some Dollar Tree floral tape, and right, so here we go. All right, so let's see if this could work. All right, so there's a node right here. I'm gonna put it on the node. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on this side, so on this side. So let me just shove it through. Let me see where the node is. I want it above the node, so right here. You see what I'm talking about? But because I can, this is called improvising. I can't find my zip ties. I really like the floral tape, and I just tie it on. Then I'm gonna cut off the excess. Yeah, it's very discreet. So that could come right here, and put a tie right here. Wow, I actually like it. Now this, for this one up here, and then when it gets taller, I just add more moss to the top. All right. They popped. All right, there we go. Let me look at it. Cute. Look at it. I am loving it. Normally, I personally don't like the look of moss balls, but I do like the look of big verrucosum leaves, and I know that it has to climb to get big leaves. So look at it. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna put it in a decorative pot and put it in its home. I'm actually gonna put some slow release fertilizer on top of the soil, just slightly beneath the soil, and then I'm gonna give it a good watering, and then I will put it in its forever home. I'm actually gonna take it to the shower because I want to wash off the dirt. All right.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Back. Saturate the moss bulb. I don't want it to get too much water, so just make the leaves get wet, and I know that it didn't get any water, so that's it.